Let's start by estimating the free cash flows for years 2018 on. Let's do this together in Excel. I will go quickly over this process because it is similar to what I did in Module 3, except that I will do the estimation of the free cash flows for a number of years. Recall that free cash flows equals net operating profits minus the change in net fixed assets minus the change in net operating working capital. We will estimate each of these three components. We start with the NOP. To estimate sales in the different years, I simply multiply the sales figure from the previous year times 1 plus the sales growth rate. I will need sales in 2017, which I can take from the income statement. Now I can compute sales in 2018 and repeat this calculation for all the other years. Next, let's move to COGS. I will use the COGS to sales ratio. For COGS in 2018, I multiply the COGS to sales ratio by sales in 2018. I also do this for all the other years. I use a similar process for operating expenses. I multiply the ratio of operating expenses to sales by sales in each of the years, and I do this for all the years. Now that I have sales, COGS, and operating expenses, I can compute EBIT. EBIT equals sales minus COGS minus operating expenses. I can do this calculation for all the other years. Recall that in the free cash flow calculation, you do not subtract interest and apply the tax rate directly to EBIT. The tax rate is 35%, so I multiply EBIT by 35% to obtain taxes. Finally, I subtract taxes from EBIT to obtain NOP. I do this calculation for all the other years.